4 tips for succeeding as a Shopify beginner. Are you looking to get started with Shopify but don't know where to begin? Whether you're a new online store owner or an experienced business owner just getting started on Shopify, there are some basic tips and best practices that can help you get the most out of your Shopify experience. Read on to learn the top 4 tried and true best practices for succeeding as a Shopify beginner. 1. Start with the basics. Before diving into more advanced features, it's important to understand the basics of running an e-commerce store on Shopify. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform by reading user guides, watching tutorials, and exploring the options available in the admin panel. This will give you a better understanding of how everything works before you start making changes or customizing your store. 2. Choose your theme wisely. Choosing the right theme is essential for creating a successful online store on Shopify. Look for themes that are designed specifically for e-commerce stores and make sure they are mobile responsive as well. Take some time to explore all the options available and read customer reviews before settling on one theme that meets your needs and fits your budget. You may also want to consider hiring a web designer if you need more customization than what is offered in the standard themes. 3. Optimize your product page. Optimizing your product pages is one of the most important steps when setting up an e-commerce store on Shopify. Make sure each page includes high-quality images, detailed descriptions, accurate pricing information, shipping rates, return policies, customer reviews, and other important details that customers need in order to make an informed purchase decision. Doing this will help increase conversions and boost sales over time. 4. Invest in quality photography. High-quality product photography is essential not only for optimizing your product pages, but also for improving conversions overall. Investing in a professional photography service can go a long way in helping customers visualize what they're buying and make them more likely to hit Add to Cart when they find something they like. Professional photos also look great when shared on social media or featured in blog posts, where potential customers might stumble upon them online. These 4 tips are just scratching the surface when it comes to getting started with Shopify as a beginner. But following them can help ensure that your experience is smooth and successful from day one. Whether you're brand new to selling online or just transitioning from another platform, taking these best practices into account will set you up for success as you launch and grow your business on Shopify. Good luck, and thanks for watching.